Hi kids, welcome to KükenKiz. Hey look, it's the duck singing. Let's make a singing duck together, shall we? First, stick the eyes and beak on the paper cup. Next, grab some colored paper and draw some pretty wings. Once you're done, carefully cut them out with scissors. Then add the wings to the sides of the paper cup. Now put the string through the hole in the paper cup. Once it's through, let's tape it in place and make sure it's secure. And just like that, our duck is all ready to go. Let's make the duck sing. Gently pick it up with one hand and use your other hand to glide along the string. But remember, we don't want to pull the string too hard or it might break. The length of the string will affect the sound it creates. Quack, quack! Wow, did you hear that? Wasn't it fun making a singing duck together? It was amazing to learn that animals make interesting sounds, just like we do. Bye all! I can't wait to see you again at KükenKiz.